So what we need to do is just mark as we go around with our pins where the head touches the body so that we get it just right, the way we want it. So what I like to do is line that up. I'll put a pin there so it's easy to see. So line those 2 pins up. Then we're going to take 2 more pins and we're going to put one in the body right here where it touches, and one in the head right there. So you can see those are all lined up. Okay, and we're going to keep going. We're going to go around, pin one in the body right here. So we got to make sure those pins are still lining up here and here. And then we need to add one in the head that matches. Okay, I'm going to go around to the other side, match up our pins, and then add a pin. Let's do purple this time, in the body where that touches, and again in the head. Okay, then so when we take this apart again and we have our starting stitch here, you'll see that we have essentially the same shape on the head as we do on the body. And this is a good spot to double check and make sure these seem to be the same amount apart. If you have one that like this ended up clear over here or something, this is a good time to kind of move it so that they match. And now you can just go right ahead and attach this going around, working using this starting tail, and you're just going to start threading. You're just going to thread it through that starting stitch on the body that you have marked, and then back up through the stitch you have marked here, and then work your way slowly around whichever way you want to go, and just work a straight line from pin to pin. So with your pins all lined up, you can sew his head on, just going in a straight line from pin to pin. So we're going to start out, and I'm going to sew kind of in a loose straight line so you can see the idea, but we're going to go in that hole there, since that's our starting point. Then we're just working in a straight line toward our other pin. Whoops, got some ear hair there. Oh, and see, that one is going to come up. We're going to go ahead and take that one out anyway, because we're done working with it. So we've gotten to our body pin here. We're going to come up and we'll come out through our head pin. And we'll have made a straight line from the purple pins, or from the starting pins, the light green pins, to the purple pins. So we'll pull that tight. See a nice straight line from there to there. So we'll give his head a quick turn. Let's see, get that ear out of the way. Now we got to make a straight line from this point to our next pin. So we're going to just start going that way. And you can see how this is just a little bit easier than trying to finagle it straight or trying to pin the actual head onto the body while you're working. It's hard enough even having them close together, much less pinned together while you're trying to work. So let's see here. Oh, right there. Move that. And we'll come out through our other pin stitch. Move that. And we'll give it a tug. And there you go. There's another nice straight line. So next we go to this set of pins. And you can see how this is just going to make it nice and straight and even. This one I'm going to go ahead and work kind of along the line here of this row. Let's see here. Sorry, Mr. Elephant, I gotta kind of decapitate you here for a second so they can see what we're doing. Oh, and we're stuck on our leg. Let's go ahead and skip one here, so we need to kind of get going. And keep in mind, because we're working on two round surfaces that aren't necessarily the same distance apart, that they might not be the exact same number of stitches apart on the top as they are, or on the body as they are on the head, so you might have to tweak that slightly. Okay, so there's our next straight line. Give it a tug, and there's our straight line on the bottom. Alright, now we're going to go around again, line up those two pins, and go in a straight line toward our pins. And we're just looped around a leg again. Oops, that was unintentional. We're making a mess there, aren't we? Okay. Sorry, Mr. Elephant. So, there we go. And reach our pin on this side and on this side. Okay, take those out, give it a tug. That one didn't need tugged quite as tight. And then next we just have to go in a straight line back to our starting point. So it's right there. So that's easy enough. Straight line back to the beginning. Alright, give that a tug. And we have an attached elephant head. Look at that. Nice and